unless you improve yourself, and I improve myself, I am not a teacher at all. One is subjectively, from the point of view of subject matter. Second, in terms of skills of teaching, and we have to improve the skills also. Though there are certain skills given like fact induction and then stimulus variation and then skill of reinforcement and other skills, lecturing and then use of blackboard, whatever. But these alone cannot be the skills. You can sometimes, being a teacher, yourself develop some certain skills, and that those also help you. And even NEP now, which is in practice nowadays, and we have to, it has been, say for example, brought from America to India. The impetus is on discovery learning. Impetus is on constructing knowledge. Impetus is on project method.
It's a teacher training technique for learning the teaching skills. It employs real teaching situation for developing skills and helps to get deeper knowledge regarding the art of teaching.
So, I once again welcome everyone of this workshop.
Teachers are definitely barred. Teachers are definitely barred. अल्लामा इकबाल का शेर है, हजारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पर रोती है, बड़ी मुश्किल से होता है चमन में दीद बनना।
National Education Policy 2020 strongly advocating for decreasing the content load and emphasizing experiential learning with creative mindset. This child-centeredness, experiential learning or creative mindedness is all possible when we go for active learning.
I formally thank, first of all, Professor Mahmood Ahmed Khan for supporting Dr. Manzoor in the conduction of this workshop, which is on the developing teaching competencies among prospective teachers through microteaching. I simultaneously thank Professor Muhammad Iqbal Madhu for talking about the microteaching and quoting the different teachers who have been who have contributed a lot in the development of a teacher like Professor Madhu.